Hello, welcome the Wealth English channel.
Welcome to the Wealth English. Today, join our explorer as we discover 60 incredible land animals and master their vocabulary.
From the savannah to the deep jungle, get ready to unlock your fluency. Are you ready? Let's go!
Vocabulary: dog. The friendly dog wags its tail and barks happily. Cat. The fluffy ragdoll cat purrs softly and licks its paw. Vocabulary: pig. The pink pig rolls happily in the clean mud. Vocabulary: chicken. The proud rooster crows loudly in the morning. Vocabulary: duck. The yellow pekin duck swims and quacks in the pond. Vocabulary: rabbit. The cute rabbit hops quickly and wiggles its nose. Sheep. The fluffy white sheep eats grass on the hill.
Horse. The strong horse gallops across the green field.
Cow. The black and white Ayrshire cow chews green grass slowly. Vocabulary: goat. The playful goat climbs up the steep rocks.
Vocabulary: fox. The clever red fox sneaks through the snowy woods.
Vocabulary: zebra. The mountain zebra has black and white stripes all over.
Vocabulary: bear. The big brown bear catches a fish in the river.
Vocabulary: giraffe. The tall giraffe eats leaves from the high trees.
Vocabulary: tiger. The tiger has beautiful stripes and walks silently.
Vocabulary: squirrel. The fast squirrel hides a brown nut in the tree.
Vocabulary: lion. The powerful lion roars proudly on the rock.
Vocabulary: panda. The chubby panda eats green bamboo leaves slowly. Vocabulary: monkey. The clever squirrel monkey swings from tree to tree.
Vocabulary: elephant. The giant Asian elephant sprays water with its long trunk.
Vocabulary: hedgehog. The tiny hedgehog rolls into a spiky ball.
Vocabulary: wolf. The wild Arctic wolf howls at the bright full moon.
Vocabulary: eagle. The sharp-eyed Steller's sea eagle soars high in the blue sky. Vocabulary: hippo. The heavy hippo opens its huge mouth in the river.
Vocabulary: frog. The green frog jumps high from lily pad to lily pad. Vocabulary: owl. The wise owl hoots softly at the night moon.
Vocabulary: camel. The dromedary camel walks patiently across the hot desert.
Vocabulary: deer. The gentle deer leaps gracefully over the log. Vocabulary: koala. The sleepy koala hugs the eucalyptus tree tightly. Vocabulary: kangaroo. The strong kangaroo hops across the dry desert. Vocabulary: ostrich. The tall ostrich is a big bird that runs super fast. Vocabulary: chameleon. The chameleon changes its color to match the leaf. Peacock. The beautiful peacock opens its colorful feathers like a fan. Vocabulary: sloth. The slow two-toed sloth hangs upside down from a tree branch. Vocabulary: flamingo. The pink flamingo stands gracefully on one long leg. Crocodile. The long American alligator rests by the river and opens its big mouth. Vocabulary: parrot. The smart African gray parrot has colorful wings and loves to talk.
Rhino. The heavy rhino has a sharp horn and strong skin.
Snake. The colorful ball python slithers quietly through the green grass. Cheetah. The fast cheetah has black spots and runs very quickly.
Vocabulary: bison. The massive bison has thick fur and walks through snow.
Vocabulary: snail. The small garden snail carries its spiral home on its back. Vocabulary: donkey. The kind donkey carries heavy bags on its back. Vocabulary: tortoise. The old tortoise walks very slowly on the dry dirt. Vocabulary: raccoon. The clever raccoon has a black mask and washes its food. Vocabulary: butterfly. The beautiful butterfly flies gently from flower to flower. Meerkat. The tiny meerkat stands up straight to look around. Vocabulary: hamster. The tiny dwarf hamster stuffs its cheeks with delicious seeds.
Gorilla. The strong gorilla sits on the ground and beats its chest.
Vocabulary: beaver. The busy beaver uses its sharp teeth to cut wood. Vocabulary: woodpecker. The busy woodpecker taps quickly on the hard tree bark. Vocabulary: anteater. The anteater uses its long tongue to eat tiny insects.
Vocabulary: leopard. The graceful African leopard climbs high up into the safari tree.
Vocabulary: platypus. The strange platypus has a duck's bill and a beaver's tail. Vocabulary: hyena. The spotted hyena makes a sound like a loud laugh. Vocabulary: lizard. The small lizard sunbathes on a warm, flat stone.
Vocabulary:
Armadillo.
the 9-banded armadillo rolls into a hard ball to protect itself.
Vocabulary: goose. The large white American buff goose honks loudly and walks on grass.
Vocabulary: honey badger. The brave honey badger searches for sweet honey in the woods.
Vocabulary: lemur. The funny lemur has a long, striped tail and big eyes.